So how to test MFHF with the post station. So in this video we will be seeing the complete process or how we are testing the MFHF with the post station. Very easy, very simple. You just have to other messages, you have to go message type, you have to select the message type, individual, group, position, area, position and test. This test message you have to select. Okay, after selecting the test message, it comes here to from whom we want to send. So you have to enter the station MMSI number. For example, if we are in Australian waters, we give the distress messages and test messages to Villuna. It is the nearby post station, so we will just select this one. Okay, and you have to check the frequency. If 2187 you want to send or 4207, any frequency, and go to call. Okay, and the message is now transmitting. It is the sending. We have just selected 4207. If we didn't receive in 4207, then we will try another frequency. Okay, with the volume you can come to know. Okay, with the volume we are not receiving any signal, so I think it will be, we have to change the frequency. So now we have to cancel this one, go to message again, select the test, select the post station, select higher frequency because lower frequency we are not receiving any signal, go to call. Okay, so now it is going to be transmitted in a higher frequency. Okay, we received the test acknowledgement. You see, in the low frequency it was not working. Now we have received the test acknowledgement. Okay, so fine, it is our MFHF is working fine. We have received the acknowledgement. Now quit, and we have received the print also here. Okay, so this one we have sent message, we have received a message. This is the MMSI number of the coast station in which frequency acknowledged received. Okay, acknowledged requested and acknowledged received. So this one you have to file in your GMDSS logbook or the file where you are maintaining, and keep a record of the weekly. This coast station has to be done weekly. If no coast station is nearby, then you have to inform to the captain that sir, 1 week we are not able to find any post station, please advise. Then in the last backup option we do from ship to ship if no post station is available.